Okay, boys and girls, so now that we've talked about how you're going to let your light shine, I'm going to be actually giving you a piece of metal that is very shiny. I thought this was very appropriate. It's actually a square, but we're going to turn it like a diamond. In fact, we'll be able to remind you of that by having this piece of paper that you're going to work on. So you're just going to hold it, set it on there in the shape of a diamond. And then going this direction right here, you are going to write down the word that you came up with or the phrase today. Now, I said that I like to let my light shine by making art for other people. Now, what I'm going to do is use this pencil to actually emboss this metal. Now, emboss means that you are writing on something that you can press into. It doesn't even need to be that you are using something that makes a mark. Sometimes you can use anything. You can use a stick or anything like that. And this is actually called tooling. Let me show you what I'm going to do here. So writing right here in the center of the diamond, I had said earlier that I like to let my light shine by making art for other people. So I'm going to say making art for... Now, do you see already that I am embossing or doing tooling on this metal? It's actually pressing into here. And when I do, it catches the light even more. So making art for other people. Now, when you look at this, what's really cool is you can tell that you're pressing a nice amount when you can flip it over and see the reverse of what you wrote on the back. You'll even be able to feel it. That's super cool. And so people a long time ago would take metal that was thicker than this one and do tooling on it, and they would put all these designs into like platters or into other tools or utensils that they would use. They would press in the metal to be able to make a design. So we're actually doing an art form here today that's been done all the way back to ancient Egypt. They would emboss into metal like this. So once I've done this, now I want to start decorating. I have this idea sheet here. You do not have to use it, but if it inspires you, that's fantastic. Some kids were like making a big like star shape going around their words. I'm gonna try something a little different. Maybe I'm gonna do a circle going around. And then once you've done one thing, then you can always start to do more. So maybe I'm gonna do another. And maybe I'll go like this. Kind of make it look like a sun. You will find that this is extremely satisfying, especially when you flip it over. Now, if you're going like this and pressing kind of light, it is going to show up, but not as much as when you push a little bit harder. You're going to flip it over and really see the difference between the two. So make sure you're really going to get the coolest effect by pressing in harder. Okay, so I've done that. Maybe now we'll go like this, just for fun. I can't wait to see the designs that you're gonna do. Some kids have been doing swirls. Some kids have been doing hearts. Like I said, some kids have been doing stars. It's been really fun. But notice that I'm making sure that I'm making it, that I'm designing it as a diamond and not as a square. You'll see if I have it going this way, my words look sideways. That's good because I want it to be a diamond. Let's see, what else could I do? I could do some big swirls going on here. Some kids did stuff along the edges here. I could put a star if I want to. So anyway, enjoy it. A lot of kids go, am I done? Well, if you still have space left that you could do something fabulous with, then no, you're not done. Keep going, okay? All right, have fun.